Hello, I have two automations for you, one with Google Sheets and one with Excel. So here is a small sending email from Sheets example. Here I have the apps script code, and here we just select the send option, the checkbox, and just click here, send checked emails. It will make your processes very faster. So just send emails, and it's finished. Just checked my email. Here you go. There are two emails already. And now here I have the Excel. So here is the scenario. I am working for a data company and I am tasked with creating a report for one of my clients monthly. But I want to automate this process so I don't have to manually create the reports each month, right? So I have the needed four reports here. And I have created some macros for this. So just come here. I'm coming here, creating, not creating, I'm clicking the macros and just running this macro. Let me run and show you. Okay, I ran it and I have a small runtime error, but it's fine. It's just saying me that I need to get the counts myself. It's not automated here. But it's almost 95% of automation. It's still very fine. I'm just getting the count here, sorting, and I'm done with this report, basically. That's all I need. And for the total injured death, I'm going here and developer macros, run this macro. Here I have all the total injured and death. And I'm going back, macros, crash times, run, and here you go. It's really fast, right? And I have also the graph here. By the way, by 1 a.m., it means between 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. and so on. And lastly, unique accident addresses. Let's come here, developer macros, unique addresses, and run. Here you go. And to check if it's really unique, you can come here, filter, and check if there are any duplicates. Or just write some formulas. Okay, thank you. And you can have those templates and we can work together if you want. Thank you.